Process to download Roblox on PC and laptop is quite simple. You need to simply go and open up any browser, and in any tab, just go and type in for Roblox download, hit enter, and here you can see download Roblox. Click on that, and it will directly select the Windows if you are downloading from Windows. So just go and click on this, and you can see the download is complete. So just go and open it up, and here you can see the downloader is here. Now what it would do is it would start downloading a lot of different files before starting the installation of the Roblox. So you need to simply wait for it to complete the downloads. Here we go. And now it here you can see you can simply go and sign in with your account for Roblox. And here we are. I hope this video helped you to download and install the Roblox on PC and laptop. But before you go, please like the video.